Love these old places. Like 100-year-old house in Mount Lawley. So there's a fireplace in the bathroom. Like, how amazing would that be? It's still working? Yep.
Don't forget to hit like and subscribe so you're notified each time we upload a video.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's Darius at Plumbdog. We're going to change out a shower base this morning, something not done for a long time actually. It's a 100-odd-year-old house here, so everything's sort of a little shifty. It's sitting okay that way, but we do have a bit of a problem this way, and that's going to cause all the water to pool in here, not go down the drain. The manufacturers have said basically to put this in on a bed of concrete, but we're on timber floorboards, so we're going to have to come up with a bit of a workaround there. Just drop this board in, cement sheet. Just going to sort out this waste here, so when we drop the shower base in, it all reconnects. I'm just going to drop a socket onto this waste pipe here underneath the floor, because everything's going to line up pretty well, or close enough anyway. Close enough. A little bit of adjustment to do at the end just to bring it over to the side. We'll see that. We'll see that in a minute. So you don't want to make this too thick. It's way too punky, way too dry. That's looking better now. Nice and fluffy. So everything will bed down into that nicely. Alright, showtime. Okay, wish me luck. Get on. Ha! Bullseye. Yes, Alright, let's clean this up. Job's a good one. You can see that gives us a nice clean edge, something that could be grouted or another seal be put over the top just to pretty it up. You know, you could even leave it like that if that's what you wanted. Well, there you have it guys. Shower base is down on a timber floor that's not level. Nothing ever really is going to go according to plan 100%, is it? Take care now. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.